there every time I went there because they could see me. So let's check this out. That looks like just a little like pump house or something. Ha, and that's how you deal with that. I did not expect that either. Holy crap, I came up onto that and I was like, holy shit, that's big. Alright, so the battery just died, so I stopped here because I really want to know, and I want you guys to know, if this fucking lot is actually, like, you know, big enough to ride in. I mean, it looks big enough for the Z125 already, actually. And if I get good enough at circles, it'd be perfect. But the 66 is really what I'm thinking of, because I need practice on that. Oh, there's a... Okay, alright, I see. This is just like the back way. I got it. Okay. So, if you do go back here, there's like, see, this is Vermont. This is why I love to be with you guys at your lots, because literally we have one, maybe three. Yeah, like we have literally, like, our giant factories are like as big as your schools. No joke. What in the hell is this? Seem a little sketchy, but we're gonna do it because we're gonna do it for the YouTube. Caution, construction area. That just dead ends, damn it. I was hoping this is gonna be more eventful. What in the hell is this thing? Yo, this is an abandoned factory over here. No way. Who fucking knew? I just get as much space as I can. Oh, see, now I'm figuring out how you guys figure out those tricks. So I just looked at that dumpster and I was like, yo, could I fucking land on that? Like, that'd be dope. I see where you guys get your, like, what's it called? Your picks and stuff like that. That's, or ideas for picks. That's, no way. This is the first time I'm actually, like, seeing an abandoned factory. Or any big like this, too. Pretty crazy. I like it. That's for fucking sure. Trying to get these circles down. I'm gonna keep working on them. sit downs though, 'cause those are slow. Whoa, I just hooked my foot like you guys said. Holy crap, just flew up. Little bunny hop. Love it, love it. No way. See, these are the dumb things I think of because I'm alone, but I think are gonna be cool, and then they're not. Too much foot brake. Woo! Way too much foot brake. Hook it up more. I actually felt the beginning of balance point there. Damn. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to feel it. See, it's so much easier in a lot, you know, when you can do stuff. You don't have cars around, you don't have to worry about like, oh shit, you know, I have to change places now. It's so sick of a lot. It is a little bit small for the 636. At least until I get better, because the 636 is going to need a lot more space. But for the Z125, this is fucking great. Like a lot of glass and stuff around here. Dude, definitely probably have to be careful. For a second with no brake. Damn. Because I forgot to take my finger off the clutch. I was just clutching it. I know everybody's gonna say you gotta kick it up higher. It's just sketchy. Oh my god. Ooh, that was a big bunny hop. Jeez. getting better. Progress, progress, progress. Oh, see, don't do what I do. Oh, my idols. Got it. Don't do what I do. Keep your feet on the bike. Oh my God. Why do I do that? I've done that so many times. Thought I learned. Oh my God. Start turning. Gonna get there. Oh, I almost took my feet off. Oh, I'm telling you, I'm getting there. thinking about it, they probably did not hit that speed button. There's no way. I want to know the other way. Alright, I'm gonna go home and take a break. I can't believe that lot is there. Oh my god, that is like my new favorite lot. That's awesome. God, that's sick. I love it. So yeah, like I guess we'll turn this into a lot day video. And I'm just headed home. I'll probably make another if it's still nice out later. So till next time, guys, stay safe and always remember to stunt daily.